I'm Kathy Webster with IMTS TV at the Smart Force Student Summit, and I'm down here where they're doing all the challenges. And we have the Build It Challenge right behind us, sponsored by WardJet, and they have some very exciting news. Founder Rich Ward is here to tell us about that. Hi, Rich.
Hi, how you doing?
Good. Tell us what's been going on here all week.
We have had an amazing time, lots of fun, and the idea has been that students from universities or schools can come along and sign up, and every day we start with the machine just as a blank tank, and then the students physically build the WardJet, and by the end of the day it's typically finished. And then we have another machine around the corner which has been built by industry, and then we have a competition between the students and the industry, and it actually works out that the students won. During the 6 days, the students built this machine 6 times, and industry only built it 5 times. But the best part of it all is that whoever partook of it, we are going to do a drawing, and that school is going to win an entire WardJet system, complete. So this is a pretty big deal.
How many schools have WardJet systems?
It's growing, and that's why we've had such good interest. So I don't know the exact number, but it's becoming something that people want because it's a technology that people are looking for. So
Excellent. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. All right. Who's going to be doing the drawing? All right. Here we have Katie, who is going to be the drawing.
Okay. Greg, do you want to come and read this out? Do you want to introduce Greg?
Sure. Greg is the brains behind the Smart Force Student Summit. All right, Greg.
Super. So it's the Missouri University of Science and Technology, which I believe is right around the corner over here.
And there's our winners, Missouri S&T. Come on over, guys. Oh my gosh, what do you think?
We're pretty excited about it. We're really, we appreciate the gift, but we feel real lucky to win, so we're happy to be here.
How will this help your students?
Oh my gosh, this will be an excellent addition to any department on campus, and the students will get, I'm sure, a great use out of it.
How did it go with your students here?
Oh, it went really well. We actually came to talk to students. We've been in the student section over here, talked to probably 5 seniors who've actually applied for admission, but we've talked to hundreds of students at this event this year. So I think we've talked to probably 50 alums who are engineers working for companies here as well. So it's been a great time.
And how many of your students were working on the WardJet machine?
Oh, that's a good question.
That is a good question because
But we know that they were,
Yes,
or
we
else
do.
you wouldn't have won. Okay, and what do you have?
What I'd like to do is call the person who actually brought the students and let him know.
Excellent.
Okay.
So Richard's calling the person who brought the Missouri S&T students. And who was that person?
Jeff Hennef, so he's from the mining and rock mechanics department, I believe.
Okay. All right.
And we did have several student groups that came up to this. We had our chemical engineering car was here as well. They stopped by to check in, but we actually didn't know they were coming. We don't all coordinate ahead of time necessarily, so been fun to see different people.
Okay, just hold on. Jeff, this is Richard Ward here, and you are on camera here, and I'm calling from IMTS, and you have just won the WardJet cutting system.
Wonderful.
So it's pretty exciting. We've got some of the other guys from the booth around the corner here. Is there anything that you would like to say? As I say, it's all been recorded live.
I'm really happy to have won the WardJet. It will go to great use and lots of research at the university, and lots of engineering students will be able to get their hands on it and see the benefits of the WardJet system.
Okay. Well, thank you very much. You have anything, Kathy?
Hey, thank you so much. What does this mean for your students exactly?
So a lot of our students are, of course, we're engineering school, mining and engineering, and so it'll give them more capabilities for projects. So a good example, a lot of the stuff that we do are for the student design teams, kids that are building, the Mars rover team or the Formula Electric, and projects that are actually tested. There's more flexibility than what our current capabilities are, and I'd say it'll be good all the way around.
Thank you so much. And there you have it. Okay, thanks, Jeff. The WardJet WaterJet winners from Missouri S&T University. It's really going to expand their capabilities and help students learn to work in the manufacturing industry. And Greg, would you like to add anything?
Well, we're so happy to have Richard's company join us here this week. We actually put this build challenge together in just a 6-month period of time. So with a lot of work from the guys at his company, tremendous a lot of effort went into this. We were amazed at how many student teams and industry teams registered and then came. And we also had some schools just show up, and these guys allowed them to work on the builds of this machine. So it created a lot of excitement for the Student Summit, and we couldn't be happier that you joined us.
Well, thank you so
Richard.
much. Yeah, we really had a fun time,
Yeah,
so it's
it
been
was
a
great.
privilege.
Thank you, Greg. Thank you, Richard. And there you have it, a really exciting event down here at the Smart Force Student Summit. I'm Kathy Webster with IMTS TV. And here we are on the WardJet competition side for the professionals, and they are going to give out another WardJet WaterJet to one of the professional competitors. Okay, Richard. Well, tell us a little bit about what they were doing over here.
Again, people were just arriving or had signed up ahead of time, and again, generally took about an hour to have a team, sometimes 2 or 4 people, building the machine. To say they didn't win the competition. This machine has been built 5 times. The other one was built 6 times. But just a lot of fun and allowing people to see what's under the covers and how we make our machines. Everything's manufactured in America. Everything's built in one factory. We're proud of it, and we want people to physically come here and see exactly how Americans build American-made machines. So that's the reason for this. And then just an incredible privilege to be able to give it away to one of the people.
Wow, are you ready to give it away?
I am.
Okay, hey Katie, do you want to come back? All right, let's see who's going to be the lucky winner.
Okay. And the winner is Laureate Machine and Automation. So I'm going to try and give them a call right now.
Okay.
And,
all right, Laureate Machine and Automation.
7,
All right.
3, 4, 6, 5, 8, 6, 4, 7, 2. Okay. Hi, John. This is Richard Ward from WardJet. You took part in the Build It Challenge at IMTS and Student Force. Just wanted to let you know that you are the winner of the WaterJet. Feel free to give me a call at this number. I'd be happy to have a chat. Okay, and congratulations. Cheers. Bye.
Exciting news. Someone won a WardJet WaterJet. So tell me, how much are these valued at?
About $85,000.
Wow. I bet they're going to be really excited.
They should be.
Thank you so much, Rich.
Yeah. And also I did want to say one other thing, that Hypertherm, included in the Student Force system, is a pump from Hypertherm, and Hypertherm are actually the people giving away that pump. So it's a WardJet gantry and a Hypertherm pump, and we're very grateful to Hypertherm's input.
Oh, yes, we'll have to thank Hypotherm.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, well, thank you.
And I'm Kathy Webster with IMTS TV.